Do not sleep on WoWEbony's clearance section. Do not sleep. Wake up. I got this unit from WoWEbony. This isn't my first wig from the company. Another curly unit that you guys see me wear often is also from WoWEbony, but this unit is my first kinky curly. I'll be telling you guys about the price and price comparisons of this unit because I did get this wig on clearance from their website. I'll talk about shipping, delivery, and I will also be unboxing for you guys. So some specs on my unit. I do have the Indian Remy Kinky Curly Lace Front Wig. It is 16 inches in the natural hair color, medium cap size, and 150% density. I've come to love this beautiful side part. The space of the lace front stops from here to here and tapers out on the sides. So I do have some flexibility as far as how I want to part it, or if I want to pull it back, or even into the low ponytail or buns. I have been doing that as well, and it's super pretty. But right now I'm really liking it like this. My price for the wig, $133.70. Yes, I said it. For a human hair wig, lace front wig, $133.70. This wig was originally $191, but I got it for $133.70. I ordered it in the mid-evening at 6:05 p.m. I got an email at 11:01 saying it was shipped, and since they did ship through DHL, a representative from the company emailed me to ask me for a phone number because there is trouble shipping to PO boxes. Something to keep in mind about ordering from the clearance site is that there are no returns or exchanges. But, you know, it's a risk you might be willing to take, okay? You might want to take this risk. And then this is how long it is. So you guys can see it's super bouncy, the curl. This is the curl pattern. I will also include a texture shot from when I wet the hair. I love this hair wet. Like, it made me fall in love with it all over again. I've been using Cantu curling cream, some olive oil mousse to keep the curl. I like more of the wet look instead of the big poofy look, but it's also super pretty when it's like really fluffed out. The only complaints I do have is I wish it was a full lace wig. I really do want one. And that sometimes you can see through the hair, but other than that, I mean, I love this hair. Everybody loves it on me, and I just feel so beautiful in this hair. I feel beautiful all the time, but this hair is just different for me, and I really, really like this hair. So thank you, WoWEbony, for making this beautiful wig, and whoever went into creating it, I want to say thank you so much. I don't know if anyone ever tells wig makers thank you. So I want to say thank you for making this and taking the time out to do that and allowing me to purchase it. And thank you for your wonderful customer service. Thank you to DHL for this really turned into like an Oscar speech. I also want to thank you, my wonderful viewers, for liking this video as well. I know you're gonna hit that thumbs up button because we love this hair. Do it for the hair. If not for me, for the hair.